Alright, hello, Droid Guru here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gripper to our old friend here, the Quasiboto open source robot. Alright, so this is the open source Quasiboto robot. It has a Raspberry Pi on it, and you can also use a Raspberry Pi Zero, so it's all like plugged in, charged up, and everything's running. And once again, if you're not familiar with it, it can be controlled manually with the Droid Guru Android app. Now remember, you can also go to the Droid Guru website and do that way, but when you're just testing and developing, you can use the Android app. So the Android app has the same UI as the web app, pretty much. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to use the joystick, go forward, backwards, etc. But I've added another little component to it. So this is an easy robot gripper that you can order online. I think it's easy-robot.com. They have this little gripper for robots, their robot platform, but you can also use it on your own robot. So I bought one of these, and now I've finally decided to hook it up. So I've connected it to the port 2 of the output on the PyCon 0 controller board. So remember, port 2, that's the one controlled by this first slider on the UI. So it's all hooked up and ready to go, so just test it out. There we go. So we can close it, and all the way down is all fully open. So that's how we control it. Now the other thing is we have to attach it. We want to attach it to the front of the Quasiboto. Now if you order it from the website, they also have an adapter that's kind of like an adapter, and you can just apply it to your own robot. But I don't have the adapter in this case, so I'm just going to use some hot melt glue, put it on this flat attachment point, and put it to the front of the Quasi robot, and hopefully that works. And this is cool because it's hot melt glue, so it's not really permanent, but if you want it permanent, you might have to get the adapter and attach it a little more permanently with screws or something like that. So I'm just going to apply some hot melt glue to this square connector piece on the gripper arm. Then I'm just going to stick that and try to center it as best I can onto the Quasiboto front end. Then I'm just going to hold it, give the hot melt glue a little chance to cool off and solidify. Probably still needs to cool off a little more, but let's move the camera out of the way. So now I'm just going to try it out a little bit, see if it's still functioning. Alright, cool. So now we have a little gripper arm, a little claw that we can use on our Quasiboto. So just think of all the possibilities now. And once again, you could use this on the Droid Guru web app also. So remember, the web app allows you to control the robot from your web browser from anywhere in the world. So if you guys out there watching this video were to go in, and I have this Quasiboto on the Droid Guru platform, you could connect to it and control it and move it around and things like that. So there's other videos, the introductory video, you can watch that to see how that works.